Another update.
So autopilot's maximum speed is still the same, 80 to 85. Media player accounts are now linked to your driver profile, but I'm assuming that if I log into my Spotify account on my driver profile, if someone else logs into their Spotify account and then they log in under their driver profile, does that mean that they're gonna have it under their profile and we're gonna have two profiles? I'll have to test that. Navigation energy prediction. Energy prediction for your route has been improved by incorporating forecasted crosswind, headwind, humidity, and ambient temperature. We'll have to test out the Spotify thing, but we'll see. Unless you have premium connectivity, I don't think this really applies to you as you're going to be streaming your own music on Bluetooth anyways. So one cool thing that I noticed is that this bar is so thick now. Green means regenerative braking and that it's not using power. While when it's black, it means that it's accelerating and you're using power. And prior to this update, you actually don't really notice it that much. It's a very thin line, but this one's a lot more emphasized. So I like this change. It looks pretty cool. And supposedly there's some changes with this interface as well in terms of some of the icons. That's a thick boy right there. That boy thick. Okay, so let me check this. So if we change to mine, oh, that is so cool. It works. This goes back to mine. I am editing a video as we speak. I do have videos planned that should be coming out shortly. I'll catch you guys in the next one.